Exciting, interesting and valuable.
Empowering, challenging and fun.
Busy, diverse, awesome.
Absorbing, interesting and challenging.
The people.
Doing something different every day.
A passion for my job and what I do.
Probably the breakfast in the morning.
New opportunities and learning. Happy by Pharrell Williams.
The Vaccine Bus song in COVID.
Where did all the time go? Dr. Dog.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger by Kelly Clarkson.
The Rocky theme tune. Ain't no mountain high enough.
When the going gets tough, the tough gets going.
Being able to go to Germany on a placement for 3 weeks.
Seeing work that I've completed have an impact of prototypes being delivered.
Going to Germany to do a placement with Volkswagen.
I was taken to Las Vegas and I spoke at a Tableau conference.
Presenting my work to a member of the board and getting it signed off.
That I'm able to work a full-time job whilst also completing a degree.
I've learned how I've kind of matured as I've progressed.
You can pretty much do anything if you put your mind to it.
That I'm a lot more organised than I thought I was.
That I really enjoy learning and that the best way for me to learn is to learn hands-on.
Bentley B. Done a little Bentley logo in the middle as well.
That's supposed to be the front of a flying spur. I'm sure Bentley are glad I'm not in the concept team.
Bentley B's honey.
Bentley logo.
So there's Bentleys all over the world.
It's the best decision I made.
100% recommend it.
Push yourself out of your comfort zone.
You have nothing to lose.
Just do it.